Everybody, this is Yasi Chaudhary, and you have come to the channel One Step More for Speaking. So yes, I have brought down this topic, how to communicate in English. So regardingly, mostly people say, ma'am, please tell, like whenever we start to communicate to anybody, then how do we start it, like when we start it. So we just get confusion, which kind of question we need to put up to our buddy, to our friend, colleague, that we could make a communication. So here I have put here how to communicate in English. So let's say, I have given the point A or B. So first A say, uh, hello, what say, first say hello. So second say hi. So A will say my name, whatever your name is, that you can mention here. My name is, let's say I will say my name is Yashi Chaudhary. So I will, hi, like let's say someone says hello, so then I say hi, my name is Yashi Chaudhary, what's your name is. My name is Madhu Chaudhary, or like whatever your friends are. Like how are you, like mostly people say how are you, but you can add here how are you doing. So like what you could here add it, how are you doing, how are you doing. So like you can say how are you doing, or how are you. So I'm, mostly people say I'm fine. So this is so usual word, but I will recommend not to use I'm fine. That's look so boring, and people feel that this is the kind of normal person. He does not know the how to talk specifically. So like this is a very common word, I am fine. That's usually, so I have mentioned here I'm fantastic, I'm doing great, I'm robust and happy, thrilled. If you are very strong kind of person, so you can, I'm robust and hefty. So that's the fantastic. So what about you. So like second one say what about you, please. So like I'm great, I'm great too. Like you need to bring a emphasize with this. Emphasize means stress, you need to bring the stress also. I'm great too, please. Like I'm great too. um, and then B say what do you do. Like B say what do you do. I study in, like your classes, you can mention I class, I study in BA, I am pursuing BA, or I pursue BA, like yeah. So like I study in this class, 8th 7th, whatever your class is, you can mention the name it. And you can put it differently. In which class do you study, in which class do you study. First one in which class do you study, or what do you do. Or like third one is in which school do you study, or where do you study. Like how many question I had put, what do you do. Like if you are any kind of colleague, if you are doing job partly, you can mention your friends, so you get long term, like for a like timely you could communicate with your friend. So in which school do you study, where do you study, or in which class do you study. This kind of question you can put. B say I study in class 7th, or I study in 12th. So whatever that your study, you can mention with your friend, share it. Where do you live. Like let's your friend, I want to ask about you, where do you live, your address. You want to ask about your address. So you can put, I live at, if you are living presently in a place, so you can put I live at Uttara. Or if you are in city, so for city we put in, what we put in. So I live in Aligarh. Rightly I will say I live in Aligarh. Or if I say my hometown is Uttara, so like what's this is all kind of thing. What does your father do. Like we ask about occupation or father vocation. Here you can put occupation, OCCUPATI, occupation. What's your father occupation or vocation? You can put vocation. So what you will say, um, what does your father do, or like what your father occupation, vocation. So my father is businessman, my father is farmer, my father is bank clerk. So like that you can put your question. So I have put another question. A say, what are your hobbies, like what are your hobbies, or like someone can ask, what do you do in your spare time. Spare time that we get after doing all the work, जो हमें like vacuum time मिलता है, खाली समय मिलता है, that's called. So उसके that for that we can use what do you do in your spare time, or vacuum time, spare time. Mostly people say empty time, but that's not look professional. We must say, what do you do in your spare time? So I love to play cricket. I love to if I talk about myself, I love to read motivational books. So that's make me inspiring. Do you speak English? Like let's say your friend started again communicating. Do you speak English? Not much, but I want to speak a fluent speak. I want to be a fluent speaker of English. Let's say your friend, not much, but I want to be a fluent speaker of English. uh, but you say, I speak English haltingly. Haltingly means that stammer speaking. Stammer means mostly people say breaking English. That's not breaking English, but it is called halting English. uh, I too want to speak English fluently. Your friend also say, I too want to speak English fluently, please. Can we practice English? Or speak like, so you must say, can we practice English speaking together? So you can include it. Can we practice English speaking together? That will be great. B say, that will be great. You need to bring some kind of like emphasize style and like posture or gesture. That's called. Does any student of your class take talks in English? uh, like, is anybody in your class that talk in English? Nobody speak English in my class. Yes, some students speak in English. So like that you can put. So I gonna complete it right now.